Hello and welcome back to Koko Monster News. I'm Koko, bringing you cool news from all around our amazing world. Before we dive into today's stories, let's have some fun learning a few new words we'll hear in the news. Let's first dig into the word beneath. Imagine you're standing on a giant X marks the spot, and right under your feet is a hidden treasure chest. Beneath means something is under something else. In today's news, you would hear, the ocean is located 12 to 18 miles beneath the surface of the moon. This means the ocean scientists have discovered is deep under the surface of the moon. Next, let's dive into the word habitat. Imagine a park with all its trees, swings, and ponds. A habitat is a home for plants, animals, and other creatures, providing them everything they need to live, like food, water, and shelter. In our news today, we might hear, the ocean, although relatively small, represents a potential habitat for life. This means even a small part of the ocean can be like a big, welcoming house for many creatures, offering them all they need to grow, play, and live. Just like your park is a fun place for you, a habitat is a special place for wildlife. Lastly, we have a phrase, origins of life. It is the beginning of a huge, mysterious story that scientists try to understand. It's about figuring out how the very first plants, animals, and tiny bugs came to be a long, long time ago. In our news today, we might hear, the discovery of the hidden ocean makes Mimas a promising candidate for studying the origins of life. This means finding a secret ocean on Mimas, one of the moons out in space, has gotten scientists super excited. They think this hidden place might hold clues about how life started, not just here on Earth, but maybe even in outer space. It's like finding a secret map that could lead to buried treasure, but this treasure tells the story of how life began. Great job learning those new words. Now let's jump into today's exciting news stories. Here's what's happening around the world. A French-led team of scientists discovered a hidden ocean below the frozen crust of Saturn's moon Mimas. The ocean, which is believed to fill half of Mimas' volume, is located 12 to 18 miles beneath the surface. Observations from NASA's Cassini spacecraft supported the findings. Mimas, with a diameter of 250 miles, lacks typical signs of subsurface activity. The ocean, although relatively small, represents a potential habitat for life. The age of the subterranean ocean is estimated to be between 5 million and 15 million years old. The overall temperature is freezing, but the water temperature may be warmer at the seafloor. The discovery of the hidden ocean makes Mimas a promising candidate for studying the origins of life. And that's a wrap for today's Koko Monster News. I hope you enjoyed our stories and don't forget about the new words we learned today. Keep using them and see how many times you can spot them this week. I'm Koko, saying goodbye and stay curious. Tune in next time for more fun news and cool words. See you then.